Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to properly crop your screen to block out parts of your display in OBS Studio. So we're going to be looking at how to do that right now. If you don't already have one, make a scene in OBS Studio by accessing the plus symbol, then go over to sources and click plus to make a new display. And what you want to do here is you want to click on your display and you want to head over here. You want to make sure while you're holding the Alt key on your keyboard, you can now adjust this up and down to whatever you like so that you can crop out parts of your screen. If you just, without pressing Alt, go up and down, it will fully move the entire screen. Same if you do it here, or if you do it like this with Alt, you can then crop out pieces like that, and that's how you would do it. Thanks for watching.